Just stop at 65 and then just went over.
Alright, well, that's something else. Go ahead, like I said, give me your license or registration, please.
Wait, why am I being pulled over again?
Speeding, like I said earlier.
It's supposed to be
Do we have to go through this the second time around? I don't think we do.
I told you it was acceleration, not speeding.
Alright, I don't necessarily care what it is. Acceleration, braking, speeding. I don't care. The point is that you were going 73 at 65.
Acceleration, officer.
Alright, like I said, give me your information. I'm not going to make it any more complicated than it should be.
Alright, fine. Let me just search my glove box.
Okay. We have anything in the vehicle that we should know about?
No.
Okay. You don't really seem certain about that. Are you sure?
No, I'm just grabbing my documents.
Hey, Michael, you want to get over here so we don't get ran over by a car?
I'm good. I'm vigilant.
There you go.
Alright, I appreciate that. What's going to be the name on this ID?
Dave Lilith.
Dave Lilith. Okay. Alright, sit tight for us, Mr. Lilith. We'll be right back with you, okay?
Yep.
Alrighty, I'm gonna go run his name real quick back here. I'm not really sure about this guy, kind of sketchy.
Yeah.
Purple Dodge Durango parked in the road.
Sorry.
Person is complaining that he's been drinking.
Hey, buddy, why don't you put your vehicle in park for me?
Alright.
Thank you.
You know what? I'm gonna get up for some fresh air.
Step back in the vehicle. Step back in the vehicle.
Look, I literally
Hey,
just around my
step
car.
back in the vehicle. You can roll down your windows. Just step back in the vehicle.
Alright, come over here, but Chief Michael.
Just call me Michael or Mike.
Mike.
Yeah, Mike's fine.
Okay. Revoked driver's license.
Fantastic.
That's what. Yep. So let me just. Oh, and he also has his. Okay. Let me just keep investigating here.
Once I hear, wait, you can show me responding.
Jesus, every time I need to turn my radio down. Blaring in my ears.
Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and call another unit so we can get a code of 5 on this guy. Actually, yeah.
Code 5. He has felonies?
Union 24. Can I have 2 more units that are available so I can come over here to California Route 2 next to the county jail? We have a suspect that's in a stolen vehicle. Hey.
I'm sorry.
Don't move. Put your car in park. I'm not sure what you're doing going
Yeah, of course.
I did. It's on manual transmission.
Okay, put it in park. All cars have park. You can't tell me that if they don't.
Keep it in park, bud.
Show me to appear on the accident scene. I'll be with the late response.
Just look at the brake. Come on.
Keep her in park.
What are you doing? I see a hand on my window.
Yeah, because you're over here playing games, going front and back. I want you to stay here, okay?
I'm not playing any games, sir.
Alright, let's go over here, Mike. Like I said, keep the car in park, don't move
You
it.
can get the meanie greenie.
Union 24, can we get an ETA on those units
Promise.
responding over here?
Once I hear, oh wait, show me responding.
Copy that. Step it up. Go 3, please. Ice.
Sorry.
Dude, put the car in park.
It's on park. It's not working, alright?
No,
I
your
need to
park.
fix this car.
That's crap. I don't believe you.
Once I hear, show me.
Copy that. Get in a quick position
Look,
for me, please.
I have a lot of
Do we have another unit
alright?
responding to this scene, or no? Copy. Alright.
I can't find my meanie greenie back in here. My meanie
Your what
greenie,
now?
my beanbag gun.
Oh god.
I don't know.
My
what that means.
beanbag gun, I can't find it. My 40 Mike.
Suspicious.
One can read advise, show me out to person's house.
Hey, officers.
Alrighty.
Can you explain what's going on here?
Guy has a
1
stolen
second. Let me
vehicle that yellow one's been stolen, so we're
let
gonna do a
me
quick dive stop and get him out of the car.
Alright.
do something janky.
Hello?
So you
Officer?
guys, I'll go,
Oh god, is that a gun? Oh god.
here,
Is
I'll
that
go
That's a
lethal.
gun.
I got non-lethal. You guys can.
Unit 24, we have one taking off on us. It's gonna be going northbound California Route 2. It's gonna be a yellow and colored two-door yellow Camaro.
Oh no,
Secondary,
this
keep
car is
pallets, please.
not made for off-roading.
First, I'm taking secondary. We're gonna be behind the county jail. 1080 in progress, all available units. We're gonna be approaching Gibson Lane. We're gonna be making a right onto Gibson Lane, heading towards Route 2, I believe. We're gonna be turning left onto Route 2, heading northbound. Continue on Route 2.
Oh no!
He's gonna be at the county gas station.
Get out of the car with your hands up. Do it now.
Put your hands up!
Okay,
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
I
Watch
surrender.
crossfire units. Watch crossfire. Get over. Get over.
Hands! Hands!
I surrender. Just lower your guns, please.
Driver of the vehicle,
Hey,
put your hands out the window right now.
Going non-lethal.
Look, look.
Sorry.
Oh god, alright, fine,
Sorry.
fine. I'm
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That scared me so much.
Hold
Driver
fire,
of the
hold
vehicle,
fire,
put your
hold
hands out the
fire.
window right now.
Just lower your weapons, alright? You're all for.
Do
You
it
guys
now. Put your hands out the
against
window.
one,
Show me your hands.
Look, I'm scared. Just
Show me your hands. We can work this out. Show me your hands right now.
at least be lethal to me. Come on. That's a lot of.
Driver of the
Name
vehicle,
power.
show me your hands. Do it now. This is your last warning.
Have a gun.
Shots fired. Shots
Shots
fired.
fired, shots fired. Shots fired, shots fired. One suspect down.
Is
Don't
everyone-
move, buddy.
everyone's
Don't
okay?
move.
Don't move. Don't move.
Yeah, I
Cover
got
me,
you.
cover
I
me.
got you.
I got you.
Watch cross, watch cross.
Nobody in vehicle.
Got you from the left side over here.
Don't move, don't move.
Union 24, we have one suspect down here. Go ahead and roll us county EMS, please.
If you can, spread your arms out.
I'm not sure he can do that. He just got shot like 5 times.
Oh yeah, no, but if, you know.
It's a little more than 5 times. Alright, cover me,
I
cover
got
me.
you, I got you.
Union 24, myself and my partner are going to be going to the hospital for investigation further on that suspect that we just had in a pursuit. Show us 10-6 for momentarily. Okay.
At this time, the officers are attempting to get the subject out of the vehicle. The subject exits the vehicle with a firearm in hand. Officers acknowledging this threat return fire, firing 18 shots until the subject falls to the ground.